Welcome, guys. Welcome, Mikey. Welcome, bro. Naveed Ali, Abdul. Welcome, guys. Okay. What's my bias for today? Okay. Let me start with that now. So my bias is I'll tell you guys now. Okay, so my bias is cells. I'm gonna looking for cells. This here is my zone for today. 3,900. Yeah. So I'm expecting gold to go to 3,900 today. We're right now at 3,974. However, I just need some confirmations because there is a chance that gold might want to reverse from here. So I'm going to be careful with my sells, but my bias is sells. Okay. I'm just going to be like a bit careful. So like I'm not going to just blindly sell. Okay. The reasons for this is again, DXY is in an uptrend again. These two markets move inversely. Silver, these two markets move same, and they're both in a downtrend right now, right? Okay, so yeah, so I'm going to be looking for sells. These are the Asia previous session highs and lows that I marked. Asia session high, Asia session low. So this is what I'm looking for. Okay, we're here right now. We're right here. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting gold to do. I'm expecting gold to reverse from somewhere around here. Even from here it can reverse, but like maybe around this zone, go up till these highs, and then from here break of structure, retracement, and then we target 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting gold to do today. So what are these that I marked? These are hourly highs, and these are also relative equal highs. On the 15-minute, this is on relative equal highs on the 15-minute, I think. Yes, it is. So on the 15-minute, these are relative equal highs. Yeah, so somewhere around here I'm expecting gold to come up till here. Give me a 5-minute change of structure, and this will be a beautiful trade. There's a order block here as well. So if we come sweep out till here, give a change of structure to the downside, we will get a beautiful trade. So this is what I'm looking for, and this is what I'm expecting gold to do. Yeah, this is my best case scenario for today. And if gold does this, we're gonna get a beautiful sell today. Just like yesterday, we predicted the gold crash yesterday. If you guys saw, we literally sold at the top. Yesterday was what, Wednesday, right? Yeah, right. So this was the crash. Yeah, so guys, yesterday this was the crash. This was the market crash. And where did we sell? We sold here. Our stop loss was here. Stop loss was just here. And our TP3 was 4050, which was here. And it crashed all the way down after that. It was a beautiful trade yesterday. So today I'm expecting a sell again. This is the best case scenario for today. There's another scenario that could play out, which I'll explain now. However, it's not the best. but we will still consider it. Welcome Rehan, welcome guys. So my second scenario, which I'm more in favorable of this one. This one would give me a clean trade. This scenario is going to give me a clean trade. If this scenario plays out, then I'm definitely taking sells, very confident. The other scenario is this. The other scenario is that price goes down here, right? It doesn't touch dailies. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't, but let's say it doesn't touch this zone. It just comes up down till here, and then gives us a change of structure, you know, retest this zone here again, and then change of structure, and then we sell from here. So we will be selling with the leg down. That's the second scenario, but I'm not really favorable in this. I don't know how it's going to play out, because this is a huge liquidity zone. It might as well push the price back up higher, and we could just be trapped out in a fake out. We could just get trapped, because when market wants to change trends, maybe it wants to come down till here, sweep liquidity, come up till here, give us a trap, give us a fake out that okay, yeah, we're going back down, but instead it reverses, and which in this case it is sensible for gold to trap us, because this is a liquidity zone for buys, not sells. So we might as well get trapped here. So if this scenario plays out, that's our B setup. If the first scenario plays out, that's our A plus setup. So that's A plus, and then that's the B setup. If this scenario, the one I marked first, plays out, then we're gonna get a nice trade. I'm gonna confidently enter that trade. Even if it goes wrong, I don't care, because there's so many confluences up here for my trade. Like, it has everything that my strategy wants. So I will be very confident on taking that trade up there compared to the one down here. Guys, why is no one speaking? I don't see any comments. Why, guys? कोई बोल क्यों नहीं रहा? Why, guys? Why? Why, guys? So right now, the first scenario is playing out. Just marked it right here that we're gonna go up, then change structure, right, like this, and then we short here. This is where we're gonna take sells. This is where our stop loss gonna be. We're just gonna give it some breathing room, and then we target our next zones. So we can target 3990, we can target 3880, and we can target we'll target 3970. Or you can just target here. We'll target 3965. No, wait. I think 3970 is better. No, wait, hold on. We'll stick to 3970 just to be safe, because even with 3970, that's a lot. That's $30 move on gold, 3,000 pups. But you can expect gold to fall down to 3960. It's up to you if you want to take profit there. I just feel this one would be safer, but you can bring it down here as well. You can bring it down till here as well, because these are liquidity zones. If we give a reversal from there, we will come down. Hello brother, you can see my message. Yes bro, I can see your message. Hello, yes. Fareed Hakimi, hi, welcome. Right. And if you look at the price, right, then this is also a good zone to sell off, because it's a round number, 4,000. market is going to come till here, retest the zone, and then it's going to give us a decision on this zone whether it wants to go up or whether it wants to come down, and I'm favoring sells. So once it comes down, comes up till 4,000, I'm going to wait for some sort of break of structure to the downside for confirmations that market wants to sell off, and then we can enter. Just focused on listening to you. Okay. So yeah, guys, this is it, and I'm not gonna do anything while the price is just ranging in the zone. So I'm not gonna do anything until these zones are swept, right? Because if this zone is not swept or this zone is not swept, then we're not taking a trade. So that's the only way I'm taking a trade. Can you explain where the liquidity is available? Yeah, so liquidity is here. Wait 1 second. Okay, so guys, liquidity is here and liquidity is here. These are Asia lows, these are hourly highs. So why is that liquidity, guys? In a trend, in the trend, right? So when the trend changes, the previous trends highs and lows are liquidity. So now we're in a downtrend, so we're going to use the previous highs and lows as liquidity, because market usually comes there, sweeps out people, and then continues the direction it's going in. Gold crash hard, not gonna lie, I've never seen it at this price. Guys, you won't believe it, but I promise you guys, I predicted the gold crash yesterday. I have the chats with one of my friends. I told him that gold is falling below 4,000 today. And then I also predicted that gold's gonna fall down and New York's gonna go up. So I predicted the entire move yesterday, only based off technicals, because I could see the next liquidity zone is down there. So only that's how I predicted that gold is going to crash today. I didn't use any fundamentals or anything like that. And right now, as it seems, London very rarely goes against, reverses, but it does reverse on a Thursday. So if gold wants to reverse trends, it usually does it on Thursdays in London session. Otherwise, it's mostly New York that reverses the trend. Okay, so I am from Afghanistan. Can you? Okay, so bro, आपका अफगानिस्तान से और उसका बीटीसी से क्या लेना देना है, मुझे समझ नहीं आए. But anyways, what time frame liquidity rejection is good? So you need to you spot liquidity on the higher time frames, preferably on the hourly. 4 hours good for liquidity sweeps as well. You know 4 hour candles take long obviously to form, so the liquidity sweeps take longer to show up, right? So on the 4 hour right now, there's no liquidity sweep. There is no liquidity sweeps here. You do get some liquidity sweeps on the 4 hour as well. This is a liquidity sweep. How is this a liquidity sweep on the 4 hour? ये देखो, highs, lows, highs, lows, highs, lows, highs, lows. This was a high, it went up, it trapped all buyers. Everyone thought that gold is breaking out. ठीक है? It broke out, and then everyone, when everyone thought, oh, gold is about to go up, boom, gold went down. So this was a liquidity sweep, trapped all the buyers, went down, changed trends, and this was the liquidity sweep. So right now we're here. You see, the next target is 3,900, right? And we're at 3,977. So there could be a chance that gold wants to reverse today, but we're gonna sell. We're gonna sell. Guys, any more questions? Walaikum salam, brother Mughal plays. As we can wait for the higher time frame close for entry. So we usually execute on the lower time frames. You use the higher time frames to spot the trends, to support the liquidity, and to support where the market wants to go to. But we always execute on the lower time frames, right? So this, what I marked, let me show you guys. Okay, on the hourly, if we go, if we go on the hourly, this is a high. Guys, if you guys don't know what highs and lows are, I made a video about it. I made a video on breakup structure. I made a video on what highs and lows are in the market. So you guys need to know all that stuff. You're doing great work. Thank you, bro. Thank you so much. Lower time frame change of character and entry model is enough. Yes, it is. So the thing is, on the lower time frames, we do want to see a retracement followed by a change of character. So once you get the change of character, a retracement gives you better confirmation that gold wants to keep going in the direction you want it to go, right? So like, what does that mean? What does a retracement mean? A retracement is one of your following confluences: fair value gap, order block, equilibrium. So if you guys don't know what these things are, we can do sessions on that. But if you know what I'm speaking about, then the retracement in one of these zones followed by a continuation gives you confirmations that market wants to go in that direction. And guys, when I take a setup, I can give you exact reasons why I'm taking it, why is gold doing what it wants to do. I don't tell you guys that ये pattern है, इस pattern को अगर ये, if this pattern forms, then you're gonna buy. If you see a flag, then you're gonna sell. If you see head and shoulders, you're gonna sell. No, I think no disrespect to everyone who uses patterns, but I think it's complete bullshit. When you're entering the trade, what is your reason? Why are you taking that trade? If you can't give a proper reason, if you're just saying that, oh, when this pattern forms, this happens, when this pattern forms, this happens, then I don't think that's trading. If you guys ask me right now, why do I want to sell at the top? I have a very good reason why I'm expecting gold to go up and come down, right? This is a zone I've marked down here, guys. Price is already doing what I told you guys to do. What I told you guys that it will do, right? So why did I even say this? Why am I saying that gold's gonna go up and reverse from here and then come down? Why? Because on the higher time frame, we are checking that gold wants to go in a downtrend. Gold is already in a downtrend. Gold is in a downtrend on the 4-hour. Gold is in a downtrend on the 1-hour. So we're in a downtrend, right? So in order for gold to keep going down, this is a new session. That was Asia session. This is London session, right? So whenever new session opens, market has to sweep some sort of liquidity before going in the direction it wants to go to. So where is our liquidity zones? The liquidity zones are the previous highs and lows in the trend. So where's our nearest previous high? This is our nearest previous high. This is the previous session high, and this is the previous session, previous hourly high. So I'm expecting that gold's gonna come here, sweep here, and then go down. And why is it gonna go up there to sweep before continuing lower? Why? I'm going to give you guys a reason for that as well. Because everyone that is in sales, there's a lot of traders that when they see that we are in a downtrend, right? So when they see that a pullback is forming, they sell on the pullback in a downtrend. So these are pullbacks, right? So they see, okay, we're in a downtrend, they wait for the pullback, they sell here, then again wait for a pullback, they sell here, again wait for a pullback, then sell here, and that's how some people make money. So how does market trap them? Market's gonna come up here because they usually put their stop losses just above the high, so that if price comes up there, changing trends, then they're gonna get stopped out, right? So this is how they trade, right? They're gonna take trades here and they're gonna put their stop losses here. So market's gonna come up there, it's gonna take their stop losses out, and it is also gonna trap a lot of people who want to buy. A lot of people are gonna see a blue candle right here. A lot of people are gonna see blue candle right up here. And they're gonna say, oh, gold is changing trends, let's buy it. They're gonna FOMO enter. And they're going to enter here. Now market trapped sellers, market trapped buyers. People who bought gold are going to get stopped out. People who sold gold are going to get tapped out. And that's why trading is so hard, because both sides are going to lose. But no, we're not going to lose. What are we going to do? We're going to wait for market to come up till here, sweep the zone, and then once it gives confirmation that, okay, I have swept liquidity, then we're changing trends to go in the direction it wants to go. We sell here, a stop loss just above there, and we go down till there. We target the next draws of liquidity. So that's how we're going to take this trade. And I'm not saying I'd never lose. I get trapped a lot also. It's very difficult to trade. It's not even one of the hardest. It's the hardest skill in the world to learn. And I get trapped a lot as well. And even now, after working so hard for 2.5 years, even now, every day I backtest, I review, I journal, and you have to keep doing this. It is a very difficult thing to do. It is a very difficult thing to keep up with, because you have to constantly adapt with how the market is moving. Like how doctors have to adapt with the new technology coming in. Same with traders. The market keeps changing, conditions keep changing. Sometimes there's a war, sometimes there's a pandemic, sometimes there's a economic crisis, and markets change, the conditions change. So you have to keep adapting. You have to learn, and you have to keep learning, and you have to keep learning. The day you tell yourself that, oh, okay, I've learned enough, I know everything, that's the day your downfall starts. So you're never supposed to tell yourself that, oh, I have learned everything I wanted to, I know how to trade. No, even I don't know yet how to trade. No one does. You have to keep practicing. You have to keep adapting to the conditions, because if you don't keep adapting, if you don't keep studying this every day, you might have a good time, a month or two, but then you're gonna start failing at this. But bro, 5-minute supply level is there, market sweep and touch supply. Yeah, wait, but bro, 5-minute supply level is there. Let me look at the 5-minute supply level. But pro supply, there is market sweep and touch supply. Are you looking at 5-minute supply level? Wait. Which supply level are you talking about? This is a supply level. Yes, exactly. So now this is a 5 minute supply level. Yes, if liquidity was already swept, bro, if liquidity was already swept, then this supply level would have worked. But liquidity sweep nahi hua. It's a new session. You have to wait for liquidity to get taken out as well. And where is liquidity? It's just above these highs. So this supply zone will very definitely get invalidated. It's gonna push price up this high, and then it's going to reverse. Why? Because it doesn't have the liquidity. So the supply levels and demand levels don't work. Nothing works unless liquidity has been swept. Once liquidity has been swept, then everything works. अगर liquidity sweep नहीं हुआ, कुछ भी नहीं चलेगा. आपका कुछ भी नहीं चलेगा, आपका फेयर वैल्यू गैप नहीं चलेगा, आपका ऑर्डर ब्लॉक नहीं चलेगा, आप कुछ भी सीख के आ रहे हो, कुछ भी नहीं चलेगा. Liquidity is the king of trading. You wait for liquidity before taking any moves. I only get my green light to trade once liquidity has been swept. Right now, I don't have any green lights. Where is my green light? My green light is here or here. I explained to you guys, इधर मेरा B setup है, इधर मेरा A plus setup है. I have my A plus setup defined, I have my B setup defined. आप लोगों के सामने दोनों setups defined हैं. कौन सा weak setup होगा, कौन सा best setup होगा आज के लिए. And जब तक liquidity sweep नहीं होता, तब तक कुछ भी नहीं चलेगा. Supply levels, demand levels, भूल जाओ इन्हें. It's not gonna work until liquidity has been swept. So you wait for liquidity to sweep before anything. Bro, 4011 level. Let me look at it. Oh, acha. Oh, you're talking about this supply zone. Okay. You're talking about this. Yes, this is a very good zone. This is a good zone. But if so, in this scenario, right, if price comes up till here and it doesn't change structure like I marked here, right now we're doing exactly as I said, we're going up exactly like I said. So if price comes up till here and we don't see a change of trends on the lower time frame, on the 5 minute, मतलब अगर break of structure नहीं मिलता, market ऊपर जाती रहती है, then we know कि market wants to touch this zone and then fall. Then your zone is very much valid. And then it might be, in this scenario, it might be that whole London session just manipulates and New York reverses. So this is a scenario, but that's only going to be if we don't get a break of structure here. I'm expecting that gold's going to come up till here, sweep, and then go down lower. समझ आ रही है guys? Okay, मेरे से किसी ने यूसुफ डिसाई ने पूछा था Nasdaq का बायस. So let's just quickly look at Nasdaq. Okay, so Nasdaq is in an uptrend. We're in an uptrend. This was when? Today. Wait. No, this was yesterday. Okay. Okay, so this is a liquidity zone. This is what I'm expecting Nasdaq to do. Like this. And that's one of your good trades, right? And if the trend keeps continuing today, we might as well go for 30,000. again today, 30,490, but that will be in New York session, not in London session. London session doesn't move that fast. So for Nasdaq right now, wait, don't take any buy trades right here. It's probably going to sell off first, come down till here, change structures, and then take the buy. Don't try to sell here as well, because you don't know when it wants to just reverse. These are just scenarios that are for us to take good trades. You don't just take trades based off these scenarios. ठीक है? My scenario is that market sweep liquidity and touch 4011 supply or below FVG, then change of character and enter. So that's a good setup. That's a good setup. If it does that, comes up till here, it gives a change of structure down to this side, you can trade. My green light, as soon as this zone is swept, that's my green light that I'm taking a trade today. If market just keeps like consolidating here, I'm not trading. As soon as we touch this zone, I'm actively looking for trades after that. Love you bro, love you too bro. Guys देख लो, इधर मार्क किया था, अभी जैसे जैसे मैंने कहा है वैसे वैसे हो रहा है. Good information of you bro. Guys, this weekend also, इससे मुझे याद आया, this Saturday I'm gonna do one-on-one sessions with my members. So everyone that is in my VIP, I'm gonna start in the morning. मैं सुबह में शुरू करूँगा, and I'll be on Google Meet, and everyone can join me on Google Meet to speak to me privately, one by one. As soon as one member is done, I'll send the link again in the group. The next member can join, and then once the next member is done, I'll let the next member join, and ऐसे करके everyone can have a one-on-one session with me. What I want you guys to do with me is that I want you guys to tell me how your trading journey is going. I want you guys to tell me what challenges you're facing. If you're struggling with something, you know, discipline, psychology, risk management, or anything you want, so you guys can ask me that on one-on-one session. I'll be here on with my screen share on with you guys. I'll explain you everything. If you're confused about lot sizing, if you're confused about brokers, or if you guys want to find out how you can grow better in your trading journey, any questions you have, right? And you guys can join me, and you guys can ask me questions, and we can have one-on-one sessions. I'll start in the morning, and then I'll let everyone join me one by one. So it will be a one-on-one session with me. So it's just me and you. And I'll try to get as many members as I can for that day. I'll start in the morning. I'll sit till the evening if I have to. रात तक बैठ जाएंगे, अगर बैठना पड़ा सुबह में शुरू करेंगे, शाम तक बैठे रहेंगे. one-on-one जिसको भी आना है मुझे ज्वाइन करे, मेरे से जो भी सवाल करना है सवाल करे, कुछ भी पूछना है पूछे, आप लोगों की मैं हेल्प करूँगा. कुछ भी, साइकोलॉजी, रिस्क मैनेजमेंट, स्ट्रेटजी, कुछ भी. अगर आपके पास कोई स्ट्रेटजी है, आप मुझे स्ट्रेटजी दिखाना चाहते हैं, इफ यू गाइस वांट टू शो मी योर स्ट्रेटजी एंड आस्क मी इफ दैट स्ट्रेटजी वर्क्स और नॉट, you know, then that also you guys can ask me that as well. So anything, and I'll answer all the questions. अगर आप लोगों को पूछना है कि मेरे पास इतना कैपिटल है, मैं इस कैपिटल के साथ कैसे अच्छे तरीके से ग्रो कर सकता हूँ, I'll help you guys with that too. So it's just one-on-one, me and you. कोई टाइम लिमिट नहीं है मेरे पास. मेरे साथ जितनी देर बैठना है बैठो, जो पूछना है पूछो, और सबको टाइम मिलेगा. Bro is just too goated. Love you bro, Rehan. Thank you bro. I'm past phase 1 of 10k. Mashallah bro, that is good bro. Bro, are you gonna send the trade on the group? Yes, I will send the trade on the group. If you're busy, yes. If you're busy, don't worry guys, I will send the trade in the group as well. Group में आएगा, group में trade आएगी. But guys, If you're not in my VIP, I highly suggest you join my VIP because I'm gonna prioritize my VIP group first. If signals, अगर signals लेट आएंगे तो वो फ्री ग्रुप में लेट आएंगे. अगर मैं किसी दिन सिग्नल नहीं दूंगा तो वो फ्री ग्रुप में कभी नहीं दूंगा. वीआईपी में हर वक्त फोकस रहता है, हर वक्त अटेंशन दी जाती है उधर. सो you guys should join the VIP group. It's completely free. I'm not charging anything. You just have to sign up with the broker I'm using with Xness. आप उनके साथ sign up करो. I don't even ask you guys to deposit. अगर आपने डेमो ट्रेड करना है आप डेमो ट्रेड करो, लेकिन आप Xness के साथ sign up करो और VIP में आ जाओ. That's only because I want to separate the serious traders from those who are watching. कुछ लोग हैं जो सिर्फ देखना चाहते हैं, ठीक है, ट्रेडिंग को. कुछ लोग हैं जो सीरियसली ट्रेड सिग्नल्स का वेट कर रहे होते हैं, तो उनके लिए अनफेयर है कंपेयर टू दोज जो सिर्फ देखना चाहते हैं. जो देखना चाहते हैं उनके लिए सेपरेट ग्रुप होना चाहिए. जो लोग सीरियसली ट्रेड करना चाहते हैं, ग्रो करना चाहते हैं, उनको एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए, उनके लिए सेपरेट ग्रुप होना चाहिए. दोनों ग्रुप्स बिल्कुल फ्री हैं, किसी के लिए कोई चार्जेस नहीं है. Xness is not in India. I asked my manager about this. He's gonna let me know something. So when he lets me know, I'm gonna give you guys an update on that because मेरे से पूछा था किसी और ने भी. Bro, could you please explain how to withdraw payouts in bank account? Yes, bro, Xness से easy. आप Xness पे जाओ, withdraw पे click करो, click bank account and click amount you want to withdraw and you withdraw. क्या पूछना चाह रहे हो? अच्छा, ये यहाँ से ना स्ट्रक्चर शिफ्ट कर रहा है. आई जस्ट वांट टू सी कि इधर से क्यों स्ट्रक्चर शिफ्ट कर रहा है. मे बी आई मिस्ड समथिंग. ये 15 मिनट का लिक्विडिटी स्वीप है और आवरली का इधर कुछ है कि नहीं. आवरली का इधर कुछ भी नहीं है. ये अगर फे वैल्यू गैप होता तो हम ये यूज़ कर सकते थे, बट दिस इज़ नॉट अ फे वैल्यू गैप. 15 मिनट लिक्विडिटी स्वीप. I'm confused about this trade. I don't think ये वाली ट्रेड लेनी बनती है. 5 मिनट लिक्विडिटी स्वीप, 15 मिनट लिक्विडिटी स्वीप. वेट करते हैं. इट्स ओके, अगर नीचे चला गया कोई बात नहीं, नेक्स्ट ट्रेड ले लेंगे. Oh, you have to withdraw that on a crypto wallet and then वहाँ से आप वो करते हो. Guys, give me 1 second. Let me just quickly check this. वेट करते हैं. अगर नीचे चला गया खैर है. दिस इज अ 15 मिनट लिक्विडिटी स्वीप. प्राइस could go down from here because it shifted structure here. लेकिन I don't want to take it because it's just one 15-minute liquidity sweep. यहाँ हम एटलीस्ट इस ऑर्डर ब्लॉक में टैप इन करते, समथिंग लाइक दैट. Shifted structure to the downside and yeah. ब्रदर D1 पे RSI चेक करें. D1 पे RSI को क्या है वो मैं इधर अपने मेटा ट्रेडर से देखता. मैंने इंडिकेटर्स नहीं लगाता. मैं मेरे इधर लगा हुआ है मेटा ट्रेडर पे RSI. हाँ ओवर बॉट है, नीचे आ रहा है. नहीं सॉरी ओवर सोल्ड है. वो दूसरी लाइन है. मेरे 2 इंडिकेटर्स लगे हुए हैं. Bro, do you trade US30 NY open? No, I don't, bro. I did trade these markets. ये देखो US30. I have my zones marked on US30 also. See, so I do look at it. I do watch it move almost every day, but I don't trade it. Bro, which funded account are you doing? Like, with which company are you doing it? ये रिट्रेसमेंट आई है. आई डोंट नो अगर गोल्ड यहाँ से नीचे जाना चाहता है. थोड़ा ऑफ सेटअप है. QT यार, QT के विड्रॉल मेथड्स नहीं मुझे पता यार. आप ना उनकी लाइव चैट से पूछ लो. आई नो अबाउट QT बट आई हैवंट यूज्ड इट. मैंने कभी QT यूज़ नहीं किया. मेरे दोस्त यूज़ करते हैं. This week I had all US30 wins so far. Mashallah, bro. That's good, Abdul. Nice, bro. I love trading Nasdaq as well, but I've been focusing on gold because of the group, because the lot size are easier to calculate and everything. So that's why I've been using gold more. नहीं, ये लो टाइम फ्रेम लिक्विडिटी स्वीप है. यहाँ से इसको इधर तक जाना चाहिए, बट ये इसका RR भी देखो ना कितना ख़राब है. 1:1 or you can 81. Wait 1 second, guys. Oh, there's SMT divergence also on gold and silver. If it comes up to this order block, I'll see if this trade is valid. But we have to come up till this order block. If we come up till this order block, we might enter this trade. But we'll see. Not yet. Don't take it yet. 3972 support. With my strategy, an entry is valid if we come up till here and give a change of structure, but then I'll just have to make sure that the XY is in an uptrend as well. So filhal ke liye I'm waiting. Maybe this comes up till to the order block before that. Just wait, guys. Okay, guys, abhi bas wait karo thoda sa. Let me just check if this trade is valid for the group or not. Damn, bro. Brother, WhatsApp not working. Why not? %, bro. Yeah, I'm trying to see if this trade can be valid or not, but only if it comes up to the order block. Otherwise, no use. But only if it shows me good pressure out of that order block. Otherwise, I might not take it. It's working, bro. What's up? No, why? Wait 1 second. यार नवीद भाई, मैंने आपका ना नंबर नहीं सेव किया और मैं आपका ना नंबर भी सेव कर लूँगा. Message me from the group. My WhatsApp is working, guys. I'm literally receiving messages. दिमाग खाया हुआ मेरा. I hate copyright free music. इतना गंदा म्यूजिक होता है. Okay. Okay, wait. Yeah, wait.
Yo, Assalamualaikum, Umar. Umar, can you make a Wise account? WISE. It just takes a couple minutes. Make it because it's easier for us to transfer money to you instantly every single time, and plus the exchange rate is not messed up. So me and Samir, when we do transfer between each other, that's what we do. So like you know the rate that you see on Google, right? That's the exact same rate that Wise gives you, and then you can connect to your bank account, you can connect to your credit card. Actually, even have a credit card from that. You can even get a credit card for $20, and then you.
Guys, just wait, okay? Guys, I was gonna take this trade, but it went up with such good pressure, so I'm gonna let it go now. Okay, okay. Yeah, okay. So this trade is invalidated. I was gonna take this trade if DXY was in an uptrend, but it invalidated the order block. So it looks like it was just a liquidity sweep, and we're actually going to that zone that I first marked. So this is actually our best trade, guys. Now we're just waiting for that zone, guys. Guys, I'm coming, okay? I'll send the signal in the group, or give me 1 minute, I'm coming back. I need to go get my wallet. Signal incoming very soon, inshallah. It's going to that zone I marked. So let's just wait for that. Bro, Xness, it's easier to use for newcomers. It's easier and less problems. For South Africans, HFM is really good. But for international traders, Xness is better because of their withdrawals, deposits, and everything. With international clients, there's a lot of problems. The payment methods are limited. With Xness, you get payment methods. So if you're in, let's say, Pakistan, right, you have payment methods for Pakistan's local bank transfers. If you're in a different country, you have payment methods for that specific country. For HFM, it's not like that. For HFM, you either have a bank transfer for South Africans, or if you're international, then it's different. Then you have to download one of these international apps to do the transfers. With Xness, it's much easier. So only because of that, HFM is really good for South Africans, but I would definitely suggest Xness for international. What area did you mark this area? 3900. Yeah, 0.04. Yes, you can, bro. You can use 0.04. I explained how I analyze this. Just go back to in the live a bit, and you'll see I explained the entire thing. Why I'm waiting for that zone, guys. Tell me, when are we gonna enter the trade? We're gonna enter the trade here, somewhere around here. We're gonna sell. Don't enter right now, guys. Look how choppy it is. You guys don't wanna get stuck. Guys, so far we're doing exactly as I said. So we just have to wait. Yes, bro. इतनी देर से लाइव पे बैठा हूँ. But yeah, so we're about to sweep the zone. I told you guys about. It took a while to get there, but we're there now. And this is our green light to take a trade. So I'm gonna be actively looking for trades now. We're gonna wait for a break of structure once it sweeps that zone, which it did already, I think. Yeah, now it did. Okay, it's swept. So that's our green light that we are gonna trade today. Before that zone wasn't swept, I didn't even know for sure if I'm gonna be trading today or not. Now I know we will be taking a trade. Give me a 5-minute break of structure now, and that's all I need now. Guys, we might enter soon, okay? This is what our trade's gonna look like. um, it could go. I'm waiting for a break of structure for confirmation. It could go to 4011, bro. I'm not entering without confirmation. This is just a zone where if price reverses, it confirmed that enough liquidity has been swept. Okay, DXY swept liquidity also, so we're supposed to come up here and we're supposed to go down here. DXY, let me just see if there's any SMTs. Okay, there's no SMTs. Okay, I'm gonna use something here. Blah, 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 blah. Yes, I'm gonna tell you guys just now, okay? Yeah, when I enter, I'm gonna say it just now as well. We're gonna enter cells, okay? I'll let you guys know when. Just wait. Just wait. Tell you guys just now. We're gonna enter cells. Guys, enter. Sorry. Enter, guys. Enter. I sent the signal in the group. Shit. Sorry, I forgot. Sorry. You guys can enter. I've sent the signal. I was focused on the signals, man. Sorry. You guys can enter. Entry is still valid. Don't worry. Just enter. Hey. 39985. I think that's TP1. TP2 is 3975. I think I gave a 3975 is TP2, and that's TP3 down there. Yeah, 406 is also good. 4002 is also good. Let me look at DXY quickly. DXY is going up, gold should go down. Bismillah. Is there SMTs? No SMTs. Price is not moving at all, it's just sitting there, there's no liquidity. I moved my TP1, guys, to 3870, this, because of the fair value gap. Look at dxy. Okay. Guys, I'm out. It hit BE. BE cut. No, 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 no. I'm not on. I didn't put break even. I didn't put break even, guys. I didn't put break even. I still see it go down. Block Homer Javed. It was $1 away from TP1 and it came back up. Let me look at DXY quickly. Okay. Bruh. It's so close to TP1. It comes close to TP1, then goes back up, then comes close to TP1, then goes back up. Just fall, my guy. Uh, Hmm. Yeah, it comes very close to TP1, then it reverses, then it comes close again to TP1, and then it reverses. I think when it comes down now to the consolidation phase, we should just secure TP1 and secure our trades. Let it come down now, and then we'll secure TP1. Should go down though. Let me look at silver. Yeah, DXY is going up. Silver is not giving us any information, but DXY is going up, which should make gold go down. So I don't know why gold's just sitting there. It should go down with volume. Go down, bro. Yeah, guys, re-entry is still possible. I'm still in. It's just consolidating for so long here, even though it's supposed to go down with volume. That I think when it comes down now, we should just take TP1 at somewhere around 3990. I'll tell you that just now, bro, about your TP, about your SL and TP. Bro, this thing is irritating me now. Finally some volume. So it goes down. There we go. Guys, TP1 hit, okay. Guys, TP1 has been hit. We're up $10 from entry. It bounced back up. My bad. Sorry.
सही पे लगाना ना, सेटिंग पे लगाना ना।
Okay, guys, it's by TP1 again. You guys can secure. BE out. Why are you out at BE, bro, Hanan? It didn't touch BE. I have my break even set. I secured partials at TP1. I have 2 lots open for TP2 and TP3. My biggest lot is closed at TP1 because of the consolidation. Otherwise, I would have closed a small lot. I don't even know why it wants to consolidate like that. Like, but stop loss is still break even, and you guys must have secured something at TP1. I'm gonna wait for a bit. Let's see if it goes down lower or if it hits break even. My stop loss is already at break even at 3996. So I secured something. I either get out with more profits or TP1 partials. Guys, your stop losses must be break even. अगर ये अब ऊपर आया ब्रेक इवन पे तो इसने नीचे नहीं जाना, तो अपने स्टॉप लॉसेस ब्रेक इवन रखना, लालच मत करना कोई. It's at TP1 again. If you didn't secure TP1. If you didn't secure TP1, secure now. अगर आपने 2 लॉट्स खोली हैं, एक बंद कर दो. अगर आपने 3 खोली हैं तो एक बंद कर दो या 2 बंद कर दो. और SL ब्रेक इवन करो. फिर से TP1 पे अगर आपने नहीं सिक्योर किया, यू हैव अ चांस अगेन टू टेक TP1. सो TP1 ले लेना. I'm gonna give it 10 more minutes. Like if it doesn't drop down hard, I'm not gonna close, but I'm gonna go off live because then this trade is gonna take long to play out. Trying to wait on live before till TP2 hits, but if it takes time, then I'm just gonna go off. Alright, I'm coming, guys. I'll be back just now. I don't know if you're still here, Krasp. You asked me how to set SL and TP. So we set it on market structure, right? So because we entered here at this liquidity sweep, we put our stop loss just above this. I gave it some breathing room, so in case it wants to come sweep that high before falling, our trade still stays alive. If you want to go aggressive on your trade, you can keep it right here. I like to give my stop losses some breathing rooms because I have seen that it does benefit me in the long run. There's a lot of losing trades that I'm able to get out at break even because of giving it this breathing room, and that's how I set my stop loss. So it's based on market structure, right? And then TP1, TP2, TP3 is set on the next draws of liquidity. So how did I set my TP1 here? This is a supply zone on the 5-minute, which caused price to push price higher a few times, but it's a 5-minute supply zone, so it shouldn't have a lot of strength, right? So that's why this is TP1, because it's reasonable to take some partials here and move your stop loss to break even, because if this supply zone demand zone manages to push price up higher, we still get out with some profits. How do we set our TP2? It's the next draw of liquidity. Again, this is a demand zone with a fair value gap, right? And same thing, take TP2 here so that if it reverses after here, we still get out with good profits. And then TP3 is set on the higher time frames on the external liquidity sweeps. So you look at the external liquidity sweep for that. So you can look at the hourly liquidity zones, you can look for Asia highs, Asia lows, you can look for 4-hour liquidity zones, so things like that. And that's how the 3 TPs are set. Sorry for the late reply, man. We were busy in the trade, so I wanted to focus here and I didn't read the comments. DXY is going up with pressure. Gold has to go down, bro. We're supposed to hit TP2 here also, and TP3 inshallah. Bro, gold doesn't want to move. There's so low liquidity, bro. It's literally moving like Asia session. Yeah, guys, are you guys still in? And whoever's on the live, can you guys tell me is who's still in this trade? I'm still in the trade. I only took partial at TP1. Think TP3 good? Yeah. Well, I'm doing a funded account, and my funded account passes at TP2. I'm in phase 2, so I'll be out at TP2. You can try hold it to TP3, but personally I will be out at TP2 because my funded account gets passed, phase 2 gets completed at TP2. I have to make I have to make 5,000 for phase 2. I'm doing 100k funded. I passed phase 1 already in 3 days. My phase 2 I have to make 5,000. I'm currently sitting at 103 equity and I secured 1.5, and if TP2 hits then my account, my phase 2 gets passed. So I'm taking the risk and I'm holding it to TP2. Like exactly at TP2 my account gets cleared, so I'm holding it. Yeah, the liquidity is low. It's moving weird, it's moving like Asia session, but I'm gonna follow my rules and I'm gonna stay in the trade until my TP hits. Showing some resistance here because of this fair value gap, the 5 minute 15-minute fair value gap along with the order block. So yeah, that's why it's giving some pressure, but DXY is telling us that gold wants to fall. And okay, silver is just choppy right now, so Okay, guys, this trade is gonna take long to play out. It went back up, so SLs are break even, and I'm done for the day. I'm still in this trade. However, I'm just gonna go off now because this trade is taking too long to play out. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for our last trade. So far this week we took one trade on Monday, which was a win. Tuesday we took 2 trades, 1 win, 1 loss. So that's 3 trades. 4, 5. We took 5 trades this week so far. 5 trades, 4 wins, 1 loss. So we're having a good week. It was a great week. We're also on a 3 trade win streak, I guess. So past 3 trades were all wins. So let's see how this one goes. My stop loss is still break even. I'm still in this trade till TP2. I took some partials out at TP1. The rest is gonna stay till TP2, and I'll update on the group. And if you guys are holding, keep your stop losses at break even. It's again at TP1. If you didn't secure anything, make sure you secure at least half of your position.